Good morning.
Good morning. It's day 6?
Think so.
Day 6.
It's 5-6.
Day 6. So today, sprinklers going on. We are going to EPCOT for breakfast, if you can.
Since EPCOT's so close, might as well.
And then we're about the pool today.
Yeah.
And then maybe like, we can go to EPCOT for dinner and then go to Hollywood Studios.
Sounds good.
Just trying to make use of the being able to walk into EPCOT.
Pretty much.
Walk out.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. Got a mug.
Oh, you already put your pin away?
Oh yeah. Hold on. Let me sit down.
Yeah. I'm just doing it.
What did you get rid of? Oh, Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast got Olaf.
Huge.
I love this back entrance. It's so chill. It's so relaxed. Calm.
You can hop on Living with the Legend. Breakfast.
Finally, just a platter of breakfast for you. This is what I've been waiting for.
Yeah.
How is it? Gonna head to the pool now. But first...
Is it? Had a breakfast. It's good.
It's about that weather.
Yeah. It's only not even 12.
It's not even
But
12.
It's hot.
And it feels like 90, so...
It's definitely 90, yeah.
I'll allow a beach day. A pool day.
Pool day?
Float that way. Lazy river time. We have floor sand.
Lunch. Late lunch.
Late lunch, yeah. Let's try some. What'd you got?
Pulled pork.
Pulled pork? I got seafood thing.
Used to be a lobster.
We are back in EPCOT. Where are you? We are back in EPCOT.
Back in EPCOT.
And we took a break to do some laundry and
watched
shower and
Survivor.
Watch Survivor, one old episode of All Stars. And now we're just trying to get some dinner before we head to Hollywood Studios. And
we're gonna try to see if we can get a walk-up reservation to be in Napoli.
yes, because pizza is important. Okay, security. Bye. We did get our pizza.
We did get our pizza.
Just trust that it happened because I forgot to take a picture of it. Right here. Yeah, sure. We just got here and it's actually only 1 hour left. We're gonna ride like maybe 1 or 2 rides. And
Toy Story is like, or Movie Mania is 25 minutes.
And then,
and then I feel like by the time we get out, we'll probably hop on to Slinky.
And then go mess off to Magic Kingdom, I guess.
Yeah. Whatever.
Yeah, only 20 minutes. Ready to? You ready to lose?
Yeah, I'm ready to be me.
Oh no, quitter. You're a quitter.
No, I've seen all the outcomes. I don't win in any
That's
of
so
them.
sad. You have a chance though. Here we go.
Gonna lose. But we'll have fun.
Have confidence.
Ah!
Time to check our score. Oh, I lost. No, but look at the accuracy. What the heck? You are a winner.
I won! I don't believe that he
Good job.
didn't let me.
It was a legitimate victory for Let's do it.
I don't know.
Winner. Last ride in Hollywood Studios for the night. Probably. Slinky Dog is way more fun in the dark.
I really like Slinky Dog. It's one of my favorites.
And at the top, somewhere, you can see a preview of Star Wars Land.
It looks.
Oh my god. It looks so cool. I couldn't stop nerding out on the thing in between my wheeze.
All I hear is just Star Wars, Star Wars.
Bienvenidos.
Bienvenido. It's not gonna melt on me.
Start eating.
I know.
Oh, it's gonna hit your finger. Oh, it's gonna hit your finger here too. And I got my float.
Who didn't stay on? It just melts so fast.
Killed it.
I did my best. I'm
Pirates?
Let's do pirates.
Pirates was too long. So we went to what's it called?
Huh? So close, I think.
We got so wait time for I can't even think anymore.
What?
Wait time for Pirates was too long, so we went to Big Thunder.
Yeah. Which is the same, but I'd rather wait longer. I would rather wait for Big Thunder than for Pirates.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's all you wanted to say? Found a shiny Pidgey.
Should I evolve it?
At Big Thunder. Yeah, why not? I just like the way the water and the lights hit.
Yeah.
My throat hurts so much from all the screaming because Big Thunder Mountain is scary.
It is scary though. I'm scared.
Are we gonna try to hit Space Mountain?
If you want to. That's scary too.
I don't know.
You want to walk up? It's up to you.
Yeah.
How tired are you? We're gonna head back and get our stuff ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, I think that's the smarter decision, honestly.
Okay.
But up to you.
That's fine with me. I'm sure we'll be back.
If the waiter asks me for a joke, I'm gonna be like, my boyfriend got me a thesaurus.
What do you mean?
That's the bad joke. I don't think I heard the punchline. Anyway, we're gonna go. Yeah, look at that little light though.
Oh, it's so good.
That's it. That's it for today.
That is the it for today.
That is it for today.
Yeah.
Time to have our last night at Beach Club and
Yeah, we're just gonna pack our stuff up.
yeah.
Tomorrow we're going to Coronado Springs for the rest of the trip, which will be nice. So we won't have to worry about packing and unpacking again to go home.
Yeah, that's the last hotel.
Yeah.
Last
It's
resort.
not too much of a pain. I feel like.
It's really not since they move all of our stuff for us.
Yeah, and I feel like we pack pretty efficiently.
I need a shower. Okay.
I'm okay, but I will shower.
Signing off
Bye.
for the night.
For the night.